Now, violence and protests rocked parts of North Kashmir last week after 3 youths from Radihal were killed by the army last month in a fake encounter. For the families, in fact, the families of those victims are in shock and the trauma continues.
Unconcerned about separatists sloganeering at her home, Jabina is yet to come to terms with her husband's murder. Shahzad was one of the 3 young men killed by the army last month in an alleged fake encounter. His son Shaheen is only 4, too young to know his father is dead. But Jabina is too shocked to accept the reality. The 3 Baramulla villagers who were lured by 2 army informers were poor people looking for jobs. Riaz Ahmed was keen on giving his family a better life. Now his old father is worried what will happen to him and his 3 daughters.
Riaz Ahmed had a dream to build this house, but it is still without a roof and windows. His father Muhammad Yusuf is shocked that his son, who was lured for a job in army, was sold and then killed in a fake encounter near the line of control. Will he ever get justice? In Nadihal, Baramulla, Nazir Masoodi for NDTV.
Tuba.com